Tubers, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Okay, so this week we're featuring the herb turmeric. Now, a lot of you guys have seen probably hundreds of face masks on Instagram and on YouTube, and I thought this would be really cool to kind of investigate how people have actually used turmeric for their hair. And I really didn't see a ton of videos on that, so I kind of wanted to just share some information with you guys. Now, when I was doing my research, I saw that some people were using turmeric to remove hair and other people were using turmeric to grow their hair. And that seemed very conflicting. So I decided to delve into that a little bit more and learn that people who are using turmeric to remove their hair are using it in conjunction with other things such as salt and gram flour. And that abrasive rub that they do when they scrub on their face helps remove just fine hairs. And that's over the course of time. Now, I wanted to investigate how or why turmeric can be used to help grow hair. And one of the active ingredients in turmeric is called curcumin. Now, curcumin is amazing. It has anti-inflammatory benefits, antioxidant benefits, antibacterial benefits, just like a lot of these other herbs have. And what that means is in our bodies, it can help fight inflammation. And inflammation, as many of you guys know, is the cause of many illnesses such as cancer and other thyroid type issues, and a lot of problems within our body whenever we are sick. And one of the things that curcumin also can do is help fight DHT. Now, some of you guys may realize that DHT in your hair actually causes hair loss. So a lot of people who have alopecia may have high levels of DHT on their scalp. Okay, so what I'm doing today is, as I've always stated before, curcumin and any herb, or turmeric and any herb, is best. You get to reap the most benefits from consuming it. And of course, before you start doing that, talk to your doctor if you're going to supplement it in any ways. But as you know, a lot of people in the Indian community use this to spice their curry. So I definitely use this when I'm making curry dishes. But I also want to give you guys an opportunity to use this on your hair to help the follicles in your hair if you are experiencing any type of hair loss. So it could be thyroid related hair loss, alopecia related hair loss, and something that also gives your hair shine. It protects it from sun damage, UV ray damage, and overall it's just a really nourishing herb for your hair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make this conditioner for you guys, something you guys can try on your own. You can actually add other oils and things that you may prefer to this. So I'm going to just give you my recipe and we'll go ahead and get to mixing. All right. Begin by adding about 3 spoons of turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoons of the Brahmi oil I made in my previous video. Next, start mixing them with about 1 tablespoon of milk and keep mixing until the mixture becomes a paste. Next, you will add about 2 tablespoons of baby banana food, and then the remaining rest of the milk, which is about 1 tablespoon of milk. Finally, add about half a cup of whole-fat Greek yogurt. Your mixer should be thick and creamy. Feel free to add some essential oils to this if you don't care for the smell of yogurt. Okay, now that my turmeric conditioner is made, I want to say how you can use this. You can use this in 2 ways. As a pre-poo, when you separate your hair and put it on before you wash it, or as a conditioner. And I would say to try it in both ways to determine how your hair likes this. some people may find this to be a little bit heavy or oily as a conditioner. Personally, for me, this is the perfect consistency to apply after I shampoo my hair. So I'm going to go ahead, wash my hair with some shampoo, separate it out, and come back on to apply it as a detangler, okay? Okay, so I just finished shampooing my hair. One thing to note about turmeric, it will stain your clothes, it will stain your nails with a slightly yellow tint. If you also have blonde hair, it will tint your hair a blonde, an orangish tint to your hair. So I'm just noting that now before we get started, okay? And since I have light color nail polish on and I don't want my nail polish to turn, or my nails to turn orange, I do have on my gloves. All right. So I'm gonna just take this mixture and apply it the same way I would apply regular conditioner. Again, always focus this on your roots because you're trying to make sure you reap the most benefits from the scalp, okay? Feel free to also add some essential oils in it if you don't prefer the smell. It does smell to me like yogurt, Greek yogurt. You know what that smells like? This is what this smells like. All right, now that I put the mask all over my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm also gonna apply a little bit on my face and let that sit and harden, and then rinse it out and then come show you guys my hair, okay? Okay, so I just rinsed out all the conditioner. I did apply another conditioner after I rinsed that out to detangle my hair, but my hair feels very strong and very moisturized. Forgive my nails, of course, because I forgot to put gloves on while rinsing the turmeric. So now my nails are stained a orangish tinge, but my hair feels very strong. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and seal my hair for the end of the week. And don't forget to learn about all the benefits of turmeric on my blog, and definitely check out my Tip Tuesday on Instagram, okay? So if you guys have any questions or any herbs or things that you would love me to feature, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with any of your friends, and I'll see you for next week's Tip Tuesday. Bye.